The Strategic Approach to International Chemicals Management, or SAICM, adopted in 2006, is a policy framework to promote chemical safety around the world. SAICM guides efforts to achieve the World Summit on Sustainable Development goal that by 2020, chemicals will be produced and used in ways that minimize significant adverse impacts on the environment and human health. SAICM's Quick Start program, established in 2006, was developed to support initial enabling capacity building and implementation activities in developing countries, least developed countries, small island developing states, and countries with economies in transition. Since 2007, the United Nations Institute for Training and Research, UNITAR, has served as the international executing agency for 70 projects funded by the Quick Start Program Trust Fund. This has involved 79 countries, including 28 from Africa, 14 from Asia and the Pacific, 11 from Central and Eastern Europe, and 26 from Latin America and the Caribbean. To date, over 7,000 people have been trained under these projects, 35% female and 65% male. The projects address a range of national or regional priorities for SAICM implementation, including strengthening the national foundation for sound chemicals management, supporting implementation of the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals, designing pollutant release and transfer registers, developing key national tools and mechanisms for chemicals management, and strengthening the capacities of civil society organizations to contribute to SAICM implementation. All projects involved a wide range of stakeholders, including government ministries and agencies and other levels of government, the private sector and industry, public interest and labor organizations, academia, and research institutes. Throughout the implementation of the 70 projects supported by UNITAR, a number of important lessons learned and best practices were identified. These include the following. Ensure that chemicals management processes recognize the multi-stakeholder and multi-sectoral nature of chemicals management. Customize awareness-raising materials and activities to the target audience. Treat key national reference documents, such as the National Profile, as living documents to be updated regularly to keep pace with the changes at the national and international level. Give adequate attention to the entire life cycle of chemicals management, from manufacturing to transport to disposal. Ensure that action plans and implementation strategies for chemicals management priorities are realistic and can be executed given the available physical and human resources. Where possible, mainstream the activities with other areas of national development, and institutionalize follow-up work as part of regular programs and activities to build on the momentum developed during the Quick Start Program Trust Fund projects. UNITAR remains committed to supporting countries towards achieving the sound management of chemicals and the 2020 goal. To learn more about UNITAR's Chemicals and Waste Management Program, please visit www.unitar.org/CWM.